Hello, I'm Jane Morgan, Investor and Media Relations Manager at Amaero International. Today, I'm excited to share a significant milestone in our journey to becoming a leader in advanced manufacturing for titanium and refractory alloy powders. Amaero International, headquartered in Tennessee, is an ASX-listed company with a clear vision to revolutionize the defense, space, and aviation industries by providing high-value US-sourced materials for additive manufacturing. Our innovative approach and advanced gas atomization technology sets us apart in the market. We're thrilled to announce a new 3-year supply agreement with the Perryman Company, a global leader in titanium melting and forging. This partnership ensures Amaero will have a consistent and scalable supply of US melt titanium alloy bars, a critical component for our premium spherical powered production. So why is this agreement so significant? First, it supports our strategy to establish a vertically integrated US domestic supply chain. This enhances the resiliency of our operations and aligns with our commitment to national security and economic prosperity. Secondly, it positions Amaero to meet growing demand with guaranteed quality and reliability. Under this agreement, we'll have a baseline supply of 45 metric tons in 2025, increasing to 100 metric tons annually in 2026 and 2027. With the flexibility to scale even further based on customer needs. Amaero is not just about meeting current demands, we're about shaping the future. Our state-of-the-art atomization technology and powder metallurgy, hot isostatic pressing capabilities enable us to deliver industry-leading yields and forge equivalent properties for large near-net shape components. These advancements are critical for our partners in defense, aerospace, and beyond. At Amaero, we believe by investing in domestic capabilities, we're not only securing a brighter future for our company, but also contributing to the revitalization of US manufacturing. The agreement with Perryman is a testament to that vision, and we look forward to growing this partnership as we continue to deliver cutting-edge solutions to our customers. Thank you for your continued support of Amaero International. Stay connected with us on LinkedIn, X, and YouTube for the latest updates. Together, we're building a resilient and innovative future for advanced manufacturing. I'm Jane Morgan, and I look forward to bringing you more exciting news soon.